That's Crazy Carl, the owner of the bucking Bronco Corvette named Midnight. He's doing the cooking here. This is at the second annual Elegant Assisted Living Barbecue. Dang it, I'm hungry. Barbecue and car show. Oh no, you have to make me hungry or something? Look at that.
Food's ready, bro. Swing on by, man. You know there's the apartments. So you got Allstate.
Look at this guy.
Well, you should be able to see all the cars.
Wish I had smell-o-vision.
On Hawthorne, and then take your first right. It's on Snowbird. Snowbird is the actual address. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yep. You're literally right around the corner, dude. Yep. Hell yeah. Oh, come in here and get you some shit. I got that hot sauce ready and waiting for you, dude. Oh, it's gonna light you up, man. Right on. All right, we'll see you in food, man. All right, later. Bye.
Oh, don't worry about that cigarette. Hey, what's the deal on the barbecue?
Oh,
I mean, is it
it's
somewhere you got to pay for it, or
it's all free, dude.
this is free, huh?
All
Free.
ICANN stuff is absolutely
I think you
free,
guys
bro.
failed
We got
to
it covered, man.
highly promote that.
Hope you brought your appetite, bro.
Yes, I did.
If you like really hot sauce, it's my own homemade hot sauce with a bunch of peppers, and it tastes really
I'll
good for
try
about
that.
5 seconds.
What?
I mean, and then it's just pain and suffering. Might as well lick a battery post.
No, I think I'm gonna try it.
Oh, you should definitely try the hot sauce.
Well, the barbecue was a success. They're almost out of food already. Of course, it was free. They had more than just barbecue for free. Free drinks and snow cones and candied popcorns. Cotton candy.
We did that 2 days ago.
Well, we got it all together. Right.
Do a rough sand on the rest of the paint.
Right.